This is how you reply to a specific message in iMessages. It used to be that if you have a busy message thread, it would be chaos on wheels because you'd be replying to things that happen way up here, and so many things have happened since then, doesn't make any sense. So this new feature is super helpful. All you do is you tap and hold on a message you received. The messages you receive are always on the left, the ones you send are on the right. When you tap and hold, there's lots of options that appear. One of them is reply. Tap on that, and then you can send a reply just to that specific message. And now it's in its own little message thread. You see the regular message thread is in the back grayed out, and this is its own little reply message thread, I guess you could call it. And here, when you exit back out to the main, you see there's the original message, there's 2 replies, and there's the most recent reply. If we add another one and then send it, now we're going to come back out, and now we have 4 replies, and we see a little loop-de-loop over here, and it gets pretty exciting the longer the replies are. But it's way more organized than it was before, and you can tap into the replies and see that message thread on its own. Super handy feature. I love that they added that because it was a mess before. If you got value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this video on your screen right here, which shows you how to empty the trash bin on your iPhone. You've probably never done it, but it's got to be done on a regular basis. So check out that video, and I'll see you there.